Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you about Robinhood versus Webull. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, let's start with the differences. So the main difference between them is their target audience. Robinhood's trading platform is geared toward new investors searching for a streamlined experience. Its platform allows you to execute trades quickly. The trading screen gives you basic information like the price history, recent changes, and current prices. Whereas Webull offers a sophisticated trading platform for advanced and intermediate traders. Rather than providing basic trading pages, Webull's main trading screen offers more technical data, which can feel overwhelming to new investors. Therefore, Robinhood is more suitable if you need a trading platform for beginners. Available investments. Though Robinhood and Webull allow you to trade stocks, ETFs, and invest in cryptocurrencies, Robinhood offers more cryptocurrencies. You can currently trade over 8 cryptocurrencies with Webull. On the other hand, Robinhood offers 20. Therefore, if your main focus is on crypto trading, Robinhood is an ideal option. Account features. Webull also stands out since it gives you access to unique account features not available through Robinhood. While both offer educational content, Webull is superior since it offers customization options and other features like portfolio rebalancing, real-time investment quotes, and paper trading. Such features are quite useful for advanced traders. For instance, paper trading lets you simulate trades. You can see how a position will perform and cost without paying anything. Webull is therefore more feature-equipped and great for advanced traders. But do they have any similarities? Yes, they're similar in that they offer diverse customer support options like FAQ, email, and chat to offer assistance when you need it. They also have good security protocols like biometric login and two-factor authentication. Therefore, both platforms protect your data. To sum up, which is better, Webull or Robinhood? When I began stock trading, I found Robinhood easy to use since its dashboard and menus were easy to access and navigate on both desktop and mobile. However, as I continued trading, I realized that Webull has more unique features and customization options that can help advanced traders. But as a beginner starting out, I choose Robinhood as the clear winner. So that's basically all about Robinhood versus Webull. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.